Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A12, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you do want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example for this, so there we go. So once it's open, what you want to do is simply click on power key and volume down. So let me find them, there we go, both of them at the same time. As you can see, there is the animation. Now when you're doing this for the first time, it will request access to storage so we can actually save it. And there we go. Now additionally, you have this pop-up right here. I believe the first time it stays indefinitely till you actually interact with it. So going quickly over this, this gives you a couple different options. So right here we have the share button, so you can send it to someone. Then in the middle we have the edit one, which will allow you to crop it or draw on it, whatever you want. And then right here we have the scrollable option. So when you click on it, it will scroll. Click on it again and it will keep scrolling down. Now if you go with the scrollable option, it will override the screenshot that you have taken with this one right over here. So let's go back now to the gallery, which is right over here, where we can now find our photo. And there we go, as you can see, there it is. So that is how you could take a screenshot. There is sometimes also a toggle for it. So let me quickly check if there is one. But I do not see one. Okay, so that being said, this is how you capture a screenshot on this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.